ke tlo re bonang auntie wa ka o zwazile. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you are existing, my day ones, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So guys, today is just a grocery haul vlog. So we're just going to do some haul quickly of what we bought. So I bought frozen, I think this breast, some chicken fillets. It's 2 kg at Makro. It goes for 186, and then this is 2 kg of a drumstick that goes for 150. So yeah, and milk. So I'm just gonna put them this side so I can make space to be that side. And I bought myself some drinks. So 2 was 110. So I bought 3. I think 1 is 55 rand, and the cola one. But I hope they don't have too much sugar. But this is helping me not to do stuff, not to drink Coke, right? So I'm gonna unbox the Makro Oros. So it's about a school holiday. The school is about to close. So it's actually closing this week. So I bought juice for school for this week, and then the rest it's Oros, guys, because otherwise, and Mabella, and some sugar. You see, I'm buying things like cooking oil. I buy them in bulk, because I don't know when last did I buy 5 kg flour for the people, because they want me to bake bread for them. And another factor, bread, guys, bread is so expensive. So I am trying to do the pocket system for bread. So I will withdraw around 400 rand and put it in my envelope for when we buy bread. So every week when we buy bread, or every day when we buy bread, we will use that. Because we need to monitor how we spend. And maize meal, I'm not gonna move that side. So guys, I've been unboxing so long, but I did not record. I did not click record, but it's a good thing. So yeah, this is where I am. Some Russian, because I am busy with the stuff. Thank you. The bacon, I think 2 was around 60 baht. I can't remember. And another thing I love is this cheese. They've done the things to give us this carton to put the cheese inside. You see, it was very thoughtful. It was very thoughtful. So it's the cheddar cheese, so it will stay in here. You use it, you close it. Aibo. That is just disappointing. Guys, I can't believe this. I did not record, but it's fine. We can say. We also can say, because they love them, I buy them and then put them there. Okay. And this, I'm trying this one because I have tasted one and they don't have too much sugar, so I decided to go with this one, unlike the original, like your Ghana was this brand, I forgot the brand, but those ones, they have too much sugar. So I bought this for this week I bought this. Someone already opened one, and then she drank everything, to be exact. So now let's go to Woolies. We are here. So I just want to.
Sorry guys, there was a lot happening in this haul. So my my mic battery died. So on the Woolies one, I bought those towels for the girls. So as you can see, they are the same color. They definitely love same colors. And I also bought some few spices which I did unbox there. And next time guys, I'll definitely show you the spices that I used more frequently from Woolworths. And I also bought myself this nice dress, and I bought the shoes for the girls because they were on special. I think the shoes were running for about 150 rand, and the usual price is 220. So those are those ballerine shoes, right? So I had to take, this kid's size is definitely killing me. So Kanto usually takes size 11, and I took 11. Apparently it was big. Ghana is wearing size 8, and I took 8. It was also big, like guys. And I'm not about to be taking them back. So we will do what our moms usually do. When things don't fit you, we hide them. What do you do? Like, I don't want to go back to the store because I'm even quite sure I'm not gonna get them because most moms were there, like they were there getting these shoes. They're so pretty. Yo. Okay, and I bought myself this dress. This dress is so nice. It's so beautiful. And the dress was going for $6.99. It has 2 pockets. It has a zip on the side, and the top it's a bit elastic. So I didn't even need to buy a size up. So it's a medium dress, which I was planning to wear when I was going to my Decorex event. Guys, kuningi. So yeah, guys, that's our 2 months grocery haul. Let me know how you do your groceries. Do you guys do them monthly, weekly, yearly? I wonder if there are people who does grocery yearly. But I love buying in bulk. It does save me a lot. Even when I top up, I don't have to be topping up with a lot of things. It just helps, guys.
Guys, I don't know. Firstly, I forgot to press record. Secondly, my mic died. Like, I don't know how long I've been talking, but if the sound doesn't come up, I'm just gonna have to do a voiceover. But I am done with the grocery haul. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.